Alright, I realize in my last video I mentioned this, but I did not show it, and it's maybe more interesting than my knurling replacements of rubber grips. It's putting a Jetstream refill into one of these Zebra F701s. Everybody wants to stick this refill in the, what is it, let's see, SXR-1.0 or 05 or whatever. This refill will not fit in this pen. You can make a D1 refill fit in, like from a Jetstream multi-pen, but those run out really quickly and they're rather expensive. So this Jetstream, the Jetstream 101 stick pen, is actually a really good, relatively inexpensive donor for a really nice Jetstream refill in a standard ballpoint body. This doesn't have anywhere to pinch a spring on this refill, but that's fairly simple. If we open up this F701, we can see I just basically cut the refill down and put a piece of tape here to act as a stop when it's pushing the refill back up into the body. Yeah, so anyway, I'll put that guy back together. These refills I don't think hold as much ink as the original SXR refills from the Click pens, the Click pen Jetstreams. So anyway, this is a really nice combo that I like, but also if you take a Zebra Z grip or any gel pen really, I like these Zebra Z grips where I printed some custom knurling for them, make them more similar to the F701. The link is available at the Cowabunga Pencil Time GitHub down in the description. Anyway, this is this refill from this guy that's been cut down to fit in a Z grip. Other than cutting it down, I didn't have to do anything. I put a little piece of tape here just because I cut it down a little bit too much the first time. Measure once, cut once, then add some more tape. That's what I always say. Well, okay, that's it. Hope that's helpful to people. Thank you, I love you, goodbye.